Solve by using the square root property. The quantity x plus 3 squared is equal to 64. Let's get rid of this exponent by taking the square root of both sides. That gives x plus 3 is equal to the positive square root of 64, or x plus 3 is equal to the negative square root of 64, considering both possible roots. Now let's solve each unique equation. X plus 3 is equal to, the square root of 64 is 8, so we have a possibility over here of x equal to 5. In our other equation, we have x plus 3 is equal to a negative 8. Square root of 64 is 8 with our negative sign out in front. Subtracting 3 from both sides gives x is equal to a negative 11. It's a good idea to always check these solutions in that original equation. And if you do that, that check will verify that the solution set is both negative 11 and 5.